for the fish, I have 2 spoons of flour, pepper flakes, oregano, salt, black pepper, and I added some basil. So I'll mix this together. For the sauteed vegetables, I have broccoli, red cabbage, and carrots. I'm going to season them with lemon, pepper seasoning, and a little bit of oregano. And just cook them until they are soft. So those are the sauteed vegetables. You can serve it with anything of your choice. You can do it with the vegetables and rice or potatoes. I served mine with the sauteed vegetables. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.